Back to Adam Johnson of our markets desk. He's at the Global Mining and Metals Conference in Hollywood, Florida. He's been talking with CEOs all day, and now he's got the CEO of Goldcorp, which is the lowest cost producer of gold. So interesting to hear what he has to say. Adam, all yours.
Hey, thanks, Carol. Chuck Jeunesse, Chairman and CEO of Goldcorp. How is it you guys are the lowest cost producer in the world?
Well, it's basically looking at the quality of our mines. We've been very deliberate over the last several years in trying to find and acquire and build very low-cost mines. And in our business, costs equate to quality. And so we have, on average, the lowest cash costs in the gold sector right now.
And give us a number.
Well, we produced gold for $164 an ounce in the fourth quarter and $274 an ounce for the entirety of last year. So now, very high cash margins.
That's an operating cost.
Yes.
If you add in all the other stuff, all the debt and the money you've already sunk into it, the capitalized costs, as the bankers like to say, where does that put the number?
Well, the number would go up, and I should just point out we don't have any debt, but the number would go up to approximately $600 to $650 an ounce, all in for our company, and that's pretty substantially below the averages for the industry.
So the key is obviously managing the cost basis. Any new acquisitions coming up?
Well, we were very active last year. We actually did 6 transactions, 3 acquisitions, and 3 divestitures. And that goes back to my point about constantly trying to upgrade the overall quality of our asset portfolio. So now we've got 6 new mines that we're building over the next 5 years. So I think we've got our plate pretty full and happy with the assets we have in front of us.
Now, one of the other themes down here, nobody hedges. Does that make you nervous at all?
Not at all. Our investors have made it very clear that they want full exposure to the gold price. We know that, and we manage our business accordingly. And so if I can go back to the cost point, our low costs are a natural hedge, and we're confident we're going to survive in any conceivable gold price.
All right, now what's the biggest challenge as you're running the business right now?
I would say right now is, as I said, we're building 6 new mines, and so we have to build up project teams, and finding people when everybody's very active in our business right now is probably the #1 challenge. Seasoned professionals, engineers, geologists, metallurgists are at a bit of a premium, so it's gathering those teams.
In spite of high unemployment, you're having trouble finding people to fill jobs.
Yeah, there's not high unemployment in the mining business, either in the hourly divisions or at the professional level.
Now, the earnings going up about 50% this year. You comfortable with those estimates?
Actually, we just reported earnings that were up 72% year on year, while we saw the gold price go up 30%. So very pleased with that exposure that we provide to gold. Going forward, we don't guide earnings, we guide production, and we're growing our production to 2.7 million ounces this coming year at continued very low cash
All right,
costs.
so a margin story for the lowest cost producer in the country, Carol.
All right, got it. Adam, thank you so much. Our Adam Johnson there with the CEO of Goldcorp.